Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I want to show you guys these different simulation modes, or more or less how to remove the unused ones that you guys don't always use. So myself personally, I mostly use the HostCAD and Solid Verify in the machine sim. The 2D, 3D, rest material, quick solid verify are ones that I don't use very often. Now, if this is the case for you guys, what you guys can do is you guys can actually remove those so you don't have all these different tabs showing. So the easy way to go about that is go to your tools, SolidCAM settings, and then we'll come down to the toolpath simulation tab right here and click on these simulation modes. And so what I'm going to do is, here's your active simulation one. So I'm going to turn off my 2D, 3D, rapid verify, quick verify, and rest machining or rest material. Hit OK. And now when we go to do our simulation, you'll see that I just have those three in there, or maybe the two if you guys aren't using machine sim, that I'm going to most commonly use, and that way we'll kind of avoid any accidentally clicking on one that you didn't want to use. So just want to kind of show you guys that for your tip of the day today, and we will have talk to you guys next week with your KevCAM tip of the day. Thanks guys, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.